Hello everyone, this is Raman again. In the last lecture, we have seen that how to install the Eclipse and how to write a simple Java program into the Eclipse. So we have written simple Hello World application into that. Today we will learn that how to refer the Selenium APIs into our Java project. So I'm calling it Selenium API or Selenium reference files. So why we call it the reference files? Because it's not a basically an executable file. You need not to install anything for the Selenium. You need to refer it. So reference is something like that. Say an example, I'm creating a Java project, and in Java project, I want to use Selenium. Then there is some set of libraries or some set of files. In Java, it is jar files. So these files, we need to refer it into our application. So how to do it? So let us see. So for that, we need to go to our uh, Selenium homepage and click on download. Here we can find that Selenium client and WebDriver language binding. Under this section, you will find that there are different languages are mentioned like Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, JavaScript, Node. So here we need to select the Java because we are writing the application in Java, and we need to click on the download button. And this basically a zip file, and this zip file is having all the reference files which we can use. So you can click on this download. I have already downloaded, so I'm just canceling it. So I have downloaded and extracted it to into my folder, and my folder is under D softwares, Selenium, and jar files. So these are the files basically which was extracted, and the download folder will be something like this, Selenium, not this one. I think I have deleted, but if you download it, so let me download it for you. So once you download it, yeah, this is finished. So if I show in the folder, so it will be like this, selenium.java.3.13.0. And if you open it, you can see it's the same files which I have downloaded into my D software Selenium jar files. So this is the extracted files. Now next what we need to do, we need to refer these files into my application. To do this, just follow the steps which I'm doing. What are these jar files, how it works. These things we will discuss when we'll discuss the Java lectures. So Java lectures will be also the part of this Selenium course. So don't worry about that. What are these jar files? What is API and all these things? We will discuss in detail. Okay. So as of now, you just follow what I am doing. So we have the Selenium project here, and here I'm just right clicking on this project and going to the properties. So you just need to right click on this, and here in all these options you need to select Java build path. In Java build path we need to click on the libraries. Okay, in this library we have the external libraries, so you need to click on add external jars. Jar is basically, you can consider, say, file which you want to refer it into the application. So here what I'm doing, I'm just selecting add external jars. Okay, and my path is D softwares Selenium and jar files. So I'm going to that path, and if you see, the type is .jar files and .zip files, and here if you see, type is executable jar files, executable jar files. So I'm selecting these two jar files, which is under my directory, and I'm saying open. Actually, we need to add some more jar files, which is under the libs folder. So select these jar files and select open. Okay, so then you can say apply. And you notice here that there is a reference library folder get created. Okay, and I'm saying now apply and close. So this reference folder is nothing but the reference libraries of Selenium. Okay, so let us see how it works. And if you see the path here, D software Selenium jar files, D software Selenium. So these all are the libraries or jar files which I am using. Now, to see whether this is working fine or not, what we need to do, we need to write some code to check it out. So I'm saying web driver dr equals to new Chrome driver. So I'm just writing one Selenium code. Okay, this is showing some error. So if you if you click on this particular error, it basically needs a reference. So what is that reference? That reference means we need to tell to this Chrome driver that you are, means your reference is available here. So for that, I will click on this. So once I click on this, it will give you some fix available. Import Chrome driver, which is available in the org opengA.selenium.chrome. So I'm just clicking on this. Once I clicked, you may notice that on the top, import org.openqa.selenium.chrome driver. This is basically the namespace or package. In Java term, we call it package. So package is basically, it is indicating that this contains the definition of your Chrome driver. Okay, same way you see that WebDriver is also not recognized by this application. For that, we need to refer the Selenium dot WebDriver. So here you see now these two errors get fixed by importing these two packages, and these two packages are only available once we have the reference of Selenium libraries. So I'm stopping the recording here. We will see in the next lecture that how to um, create our first test case in the Selenium. So till now we have discussed that how to refer the Selenium libraries, and we have seen that web drivers and Chrome drivers, which is the part of Selenium libraries, we are able to uh, use in our application without any issue. So stay tuned. Next lecture you will see that how we can create our first program in Selenium. Thanks for watching.